everyone, my name's Sarah Thompson and I did my website for my photography business, Sarah Thompson Photography. I've never built a website before, so this class has been quite the challenge. This also is not my original design. I had a whole different website created and put it on a flash drive to take it to work to update some items, and accidentally deleted the whole darn thing with 24 hours or less to make a new one. So this is a little bit rougher than the one that I had hoped for, but still a complete site. On my website, you'll see that I have a header, a sidebar, and a footer. They're all standard throughout the website. The changes will happen mostly in the left side content space. On my about screen, I have testimonials from my customers, links to my different websites, and then a little bit about myself. I did two forms. One is like a mailing list form. That's kind of the general MailChimp form that we learned in class. And this one would get customers exclusive invites, promotions, priority scheduling. The secondary form that I did is a little bit more in-depth as far as if a customer is requesting a certain date, if a customer is brand new or an existing customer, which would then trigger me to send contract information and a client job sheet, which then details kind of what job they're hiring me for. Then I also have links to 3 different galleries. One's an abstract that's kind of more artisty. One is landscapes and nature. And the last is portraits. For me, I would prefer to have a higher quality and a little bit larger image, just because for a photography website, I think that looks better. But because the images were supposed to be a resolution of 72, I wanted to make sure that I kept them small to keep the integrity of the image. My preference would be a little higher quality, but that would definitely slow down the site. Then I have my landing page. Oops. That's right here. The landing page has a few different photographs on it. You can see the navigation bar on the top has disappeared, and the customer's first option then would be the enter here, which would then bring them back to that new client information form. And then all the forms relate back to this thank you for visiting page, which then also has a link back to the contact us if there's any issues, or back to the home page. I really enjoyed this process. I am not the best at programming. This is very new to me, but I really enjoy the idea of it. I wish that the class would have been a little more structured as far as dates and some help that was requested, but I really learned a lot about being creative, utilizing space on a website, and just how much is entailed in doing a website. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I hope you all have a great summer. Thank you.